Hello and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's regular expression course. This is specify only the lower number of matches. You can specify the lower and upper number of patterns with quantity specifiers using curly brackets. Sometimes you only want to specify the lower number of patterns with no upper limit. To only specify the lower number of patterns, keep the first number followed by a comma. For example, to match only the string ha with the letter A appearing at least 3 times, your regex would be ha curly braces 3, because that's our lower, we're specifying the lower limit, and then there is no upper, so we leave it blank, and then we end it with that H. So if we have here these 3 different strings, this ha has 4 A's, this one has 2, and this one has 100 A's. If we use that character class we just learned, not specifying the upper limit, then our first string would return true because it has 4 A's and that meets the requirement. The second one returns false because it only has 2 A's, and then the third one will return true because it was 100 A's. And our challenge says change the regex ha regex to match the word huzzah only when it has 4 or more letter Z's. So if we zoom out over here, come to this side of the screen, we should be able to do the same thing by doing our, here it's HA and then Z, and that one we're going to put in curly braces, and we're going to specify 4 or more, so we leave that second one blank. I know if you add a space here, probably won't read it, so we make sure to keep it like that. And right after the Z's, we got AH, and if we console log this, it should return true because this huzzah has 4 Z's, and that would fulfill that requirement. So let's do result, and we do get true. Again, if I erase one, it will say false, and it does. If we added more, it should always be true as long as it's 4 or more. So let's run the test, and we passed. So, and just to check, if we do erase this or add a space here, we'll see that it does return false when it should return true. So just keep that one in mind. Yeah, so we learned in this that we can specify a lower limit and not provide upper limit, and it'll just do that lower or more than that. And if you get it, you're getting this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.